School boards and administrations across the state are busy coming up with plans to reintegrate back into the classroom. As the number of positive cases, deaths, and hospitalizations continue to rise, those factors are likely to play a big role in each school district's decision-making. Caressa Stinchcomb shares the Minot Public Schools superintendent concerns and some input from Governor Burgum.
It has to be based on the science of numbers. What are our infection rates in the community, and what are we dealing with as a community? How do we move it forward? How do we keep people safe?
Minot Public School Superintendent Mark Vollmer says those are the major questions the district is asking. Right now, positive cases are reported by county without specifying which city. Vollmer says not knowing city-by-city case numbers makes it difficult for the reintegration committee to come up with a plan and to determine if the school should resume as it normally would.
What I want to be able to do is to pinpoint within our community, Minot, what is our reality in regard to infection rates.
Governor Burgum says it isn't that simple.
If you overlay our school districts with our counties, with our public health districts, it looks like three different jigsaw puzzles. That we may want to think about aggregating. Could we aggregate the data for a school board that would tell them how many positives are in their school district?
To try and determine just how many students MPS needs to plan for, staff are calling parents of elementary school students to ask if they still live in Ward County or if they've moved.
The purpose of that phone call was not wondering if they plan to send their students based on COVID. It was we're trying to plan for the number of students that we need to be prepared for.
Governor Burgum also says it still hasn't been decided whose responsibility it is to report a positive case to the school district. Whether it be family, state, or medical provider, it's still unknown. But he says he will have an answer before school starts. Vollmer says at the end of the day, safety is the district's #1 priority.
We have families that need their kids in school. They need to be at their work. We have staff and families very concerned about the safety of all of this. We want to make the best decision moving forward. We want this to be a Minot-sized plan.
Reporting for KX News in Minot, I'm Caressa Stinchcomb.
The governor also said today the decision to make students and teachers wear masks is up to each school district. He will not be issuing a mask mandate. And Vollmer says the goal is to have a plan finalized for public input by July 31st.